Oh, misbeliever, my pretty sleeper, your twisted mind is like snow on the road. Your shaking shoulders prove that it's colder inside your head than the winter of death. I will tell you I love you, but the muffs on your ears will cater your fears. My nose and feet are running as we start to travel through snow together.